They say you don't get to be successful, you need to earn it. They say you don't get to be recognized, you need to earn it. This is something which I believe, that you don't get to be liked by the people just like that, you need to earn it. Online videos is in fact one of the greatest inventions in human history for somebody who wants to build up following, somebody who wants to create connection with his audience, with the viewers. So today I'm going to share my 4 important learnings which I have been trying to implement in my videos and which might help you to earn more likes for your videos. So stay tuned, but before that, do like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell so you know whenever I am online. So the first is love, trust and know. This is a learning which I derived from Ray Higdon from his 4-day marketing bootcamp. Ray says that if you want to create an impact on your audience, if you want to build your trust in your audience, you need to be yourself. You have to be yourself. You have to be comfortable in front of the camera. It doesn't mean that you have to be decked up all the time whenever you are coming in front of the camera. You have to create a connection with the people. You have to make them realize your flaws. You have to show them your vulnerability. What do you think? Why do you love your parents so much? It's because your parents love you unconditionally. Give that unconditional love to your viewers, to your audience. Focus on your audience. Focus on giving, not on yourself. Give everything you have. Empty yourself to your audience, to your viewers. For example, I watch a video in which you share an insight, a strategy or a piece of advice which creates an impact on me, which motivates me to create a change in my life. I will not doubt your credibility. I'll not be bothered about your credibility. I will start liking your videos because it's your advice, your strategy which has created a result in my life. So give your unconditional love to your viewers and build that trust. Eliminate obscurity. The people will love you, they will know you and they will like your videos. The next is inspire your audience, inspire your viewers. Phil Wacknell says, a presentation must rhyme with inspiration. Your video should inspire your viewers. Present well to inspire, because people may forget what they hear, but they will never forget what inspired them. When a person is watching your video or when a person is listening to what you are saying, he is sharing with you one of the most important resource of his life, and that is time. So it is your responsibility to change the way a person feels about something. It is your responsibility to change the way a person thinks about something. It is your responsibility to change the way a person does something. And if you are not able to bring that change in the way a person feels, thinks or does something, you are wasting his time. So inspire a change. The next is Kinesthetic Approach. Kinesthetic approach, which means putting actions into your words. Kinesthetic speakers make the audience feel their presentation. They make them feel their presentation with their gestures, with their postures, with their motions, with their movements. They bring out potent non-verbal communication, which not only syncs with, but in fact it reinforces the verbal message of their presentation. Kinesthetic approach helps the speakers to build up that strong connection with the audience, which wins their confidence and commitment. Strong kinesthetic approach, strong non-verbal communication plays a vital role in winning the hearts of the audience. The most clear and immediate benefit derived from kinesthetic presentation is the likelihood of the audience for you. In case of online videos, it however becomes a one-to-one communication with the viewer in a cozy environment. So it becomes even more important to feel your audience. So in order to be liked by your audience, liked by your viewers, feel your audience, make your audience feel your presentation. The next is exhibit energy. Forbes, the American business magazine, says that the motivational speaker Tony Robbins has enough energy to engage 4,000 people for 50 hours over 40 days. His pre-speaking rituals involve incantations, affirmations, movements, lots and lots of movements. One of his core learnings says that energetic movements changes the state of mind of the people. You can find him yelling, pumping his fist, stamping his hand on his chest. Of course, you may not go to the level as Tony does it, but yes, adding energy, increasing the level of energy in your presentation or in your videos can change everything. It can change your body language, your eye contact, and even your delivery. Your energy levels create a huge impact on how your audience, your viewers, perceive you. Here I would like to share a small exercise suggested by Carmine Gallo, the senior contributor, Forbes. He says, in the beginning of every presentation or when you are beginning to make a video, do this small exercise. Clap your hands 3-4 times, shake your arms, give yourself a big smile and speak to yourself loudly, I'm gonna rock it. This exercise, this small exercise may sound a bit nutty, but believe me, it can bring dramatic changes. It can bring dramatic changes to your energy levels because it will move you out of your comfort zone. So follow these 4 techniques in making your videos. L, which says love, trust and know your audience. I, which says inspire your audience. And K, be a kinesthetic speaker. And E, exhibit energy. So L-I-K-E, follow my L-I-K-E and get your videos liked. So this is Surabhi Jain saying goodbye till we meet again with a new set of tips.